Hey, welcome to the HASHGUIDE channel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can verify your Solidity contracts on the Blockscout Block Explorer. Okay, this is going to be a contract that I deployed on the SoCal network. It's POA's test network, and it is very simple if you follow these directions, guys. Alright, so before we do, make sure you can hit that subscribe button, and if you found this video useful, please make sure you leave a comment, share with a few friends, and hit that notification bell so you can see when I put out videos next. Let's begin. Okay, so to verify a contract on the Blockscout Block Explorer, I'm using a truffle contract I had deployed, and we're going to use truffle flattener to flatten our contracts. Alright, so the first thing we need to do, we got Blockscout open right now, right? This is my original contract right here that I have, I just deployed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the transaction hash, alright? And if you look in this box right here, this is the ABI bytecode encoded, hex encoded. The constructor arguments that we need are going to be at the very bottom. A way you could tell is you scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you look for a string that starts with zeros, alright? Then copy from that first zero on all the way down. Alright, so if you copy all the way down, you copy that, that's going to be our constructor arguments for the deployment, for the verification. Alright, so I want to go to my console, okay? So what we want to do for a truffle flattener is truffle flattener, and we want to flatten our contracts / HASHGUIDE coin.sol. If we just did this, it's gonna output it to the console. We don't want that, so I'm gonna run it to a file in the contracts folder called HASHGUIDE coin underscore flatten.sol. Alright, so that's gonna output it into a file for us. Now we could just put this in there, but it's gonna give us an error with the new SPDX licensed identifier. So I go back to my IDE and I go to my flattened version, okay, and see this right here, with all the contracts flattened together, it's gonna come up multiple times. So basically I just go and I search for it, and you know, I'm gonna erase all the other ones. So if you don't do this, it's going to complain. So I found it easiest right now to just do it manually. Alright, and then you save that file. Control A, copy, and see, I just messed up that one part because now I got to go get these again. Alright, so basically we want to go to our contract on Blockscout and click on code and verify and publish. So right here is going to be the name of our contract, which is HASHGUIDE coin in my case. The compiler version, we use 7.1. You have to have the right compiler version. For the EVM version, I left it at default, so we're going to leave that at default. There's no optimization. Right here is where you enter all the Solidity code from the flattened file you got, and for the ABI encoded, we just copy those last characters starting with all the zeros, and we put that right here. And we have no contract libraries for this contract, which is good. It's nice and simple to show you. And then next is verify and publish, and this should verify the contract code so we can interact with our contract on the Blockscout Block Explorer, guys. It's an amazing tool. You want to check it out. They don't support Ethereum mainnet right now, but it is a great explorer. POA, Core, and SoCal networks, they're amazing to develop on, guys. It's so fast, so cheap. If you guys have a project, and I know Ethereum is just a big network, you guys, but really, look into POA. It's a great network to begin. It's a little low-key right now, but we're just waiting for some projects to make it. Alright, so there we go. Our contract code is verified. Please make sure, if this video helped you, you make sure you hit that subscribe button. You comment, let us know how it did, guys. Hit that notification bell so you can see the next videos I put out, and please share it to some friends. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now.